Alright, welcome back to part 2 of the thunderstorm. I hope you enjoyed that part. I'm talking to myself about the other video. Since that video was like... we're equipping our armored boat. I know last time I said it was a speedboat, but armored boat is more armored, as it said in the name, so we're gonna use this. But it's really slow. Monsters. Wait, is it still thunderstorm or is it just rain? Wait. Right, I need to make sure first. Oh wait, bro. I'm in Port Jackson, I forgot. Yeah, it's still thunderstorm. Lightning. But this ship is slow. I remodeled it. Hope you guys like it. Let's get our spear. Don't mind that. Okay, I don't see any more. Yes. Oh my, that's a lot of ones. Refix. Those are orcas and... oh no, I won't be able to know. Okay, there's mixed. They're mixed. So, oh my. What was that? What? Yo, should have picked a faster boat. I'm gonna die. Should have picked the faster boat. We're slowing down here. Yo, I got an egg. But I don't really think I could be happy when like 5 of them are on me. And I only have 5 gems. Oh no, I'm breaking. I'm on fire. No. I know. Keep going. No. Okay, I'm just staying in my boat. It's gonna try and launch me out, but I'm just going to stay in my boat. Good thing this has this little cabin. Okay, I'm in the little cabin. Let's hope. Sorry, guys, almost disappeared. Oh, get them. Bah. Oh no. But I got an egg. Let's go. I got a baby great white shark. That's my first ever shark egg. Bro, I can't believe I got it. It's like so rare. It's very rare. It's the rarest item that you could get from a shark. Yeah. Sheesh, it's 14k. I'm not gonna sell. I have 14k, but let's add this to our tank. Oh, we have one orca and right now. Let's go! What should we remove? Let's remove this glassy sweeper. Boom, now we have 2 of them. Where's the other one? There's that one. It's over there! Yo, sick. That's actually so cool. Okay, we're gonna go sell these 2 fish now. Why is it locked? These 2 have... this is a glassy sweeper. But bro, look at my shit. No, that's not my shit. Now that it's normal now, I managed to sell some tails last video. Some shark tails. This boat is surprisingly really slow. I'm gonna go make it faster. So that's why I should always use a kayak. I thought it would be more protected, but the kayak is really fast, and that's what matters about with hammerhead sharks. Oh, it's max level? That's surprisingly slow. And these two are max level. I'll clip that. But this one's also surprisingly really fast. So this one is great for hunting. And I might do a little bit of hunting this video. Okay, this is really fast. And it has lights. And we're gonna end the video here. That's my thunderstorm series. Bye bye.